All right, there you go. So today I have Subaru's birthday merch from last year. I got this like a couple of days ago, but I had to fix my camera stand, so it took some time. I actually opened the box, I checked what's inside, and it should be safe to look at. All right, so we have packaging. Oh, is this small? Right, there's a hololive error merch in there as well. Yeah, I was waiting for this. There's this wristband. Let's see. Yeah. So apparently, it's supposedly something that Subaru wears. Let's see. If you feel that it's uncomfortable or has a weird feeling on your arm, you should stop wearing it at once. Okay, and wash the part where you wore it with water. Okay. If the weird feeling continues, you should consult a doctor. I'm reading what's here, translating it. I don't know if you can hear me, but I can't see the camera, so because I put it really, really high. It's right above my head. Let's see. There's a chance that it might lose color. Okay. Pile. Okay. Pile. Oh, I see. The strings might come off as well. And do not use bleach when washing this. Okay. Oh, okay. Once you finish washing, please basically try not to put it down in an area where the shape could deform. Basically try to put it on a flat surface if possible. Otherwise, yeah, it could deform. And avoid placing it in high, what's it called? Water. I forgot what's it called. Yeah, high humidity. Yes, area and with high sunlight, or yes. So basically, yeah. Oh. And obviously, do not let any baby get a hold of this. They might choke on it. Very cool. No, not cool. Okay. So basically, be careful when using this product. All right, let's open it. Yeah, I actually have a proper look at the stuff in here. I just took a peek and that's it. All right, there's a piece of cardboard that comes with it. And inside, oh, nice. I don't know if I'll use this. I don't really use hand wristbands. Yeah, it looks good. Put this down aside. Let's go with this thing. This thing I will use. This is the tumbler, or that's what it says. At least it looks small. Where does it open? Oh, I see. All right, the box is very good though. Energy, courage, and luck. All right. Let's see. Warning when usage. Nomimono ya mashite. Okay. There's chance you might get burned when you're drinking a warm drink. Make sure to cool it down first. Do not use this for things other than what is uh, intended for. I don't understand what that means, but sure. Uh, okay, if it breaks or deforms, please stop using the product or item, and do not put it in your fridge. No, your freezer. Yeah, freezer. The fridge is fine. Do not put it in the oven or microwave. Okay. Oh, oh, okay. Do not put it in the what? Dishwasher. Oh, okay. Uh, dry ice. Do not put in dry ice. Okay. Uh, oh, okay. The outside could become very, very cold, and your hand could get stuck on it if you touch it, well, directly. I believe people who handle dry ice probably use gloves. I'm not sure. I think there's something like a kind of scientific thing where the dry ice will not actually. No, that's not dry ice. That's liquid nitrogen or something. Um, okay. Try not to. Well, don't basically. Don't knock it hardly, and do not fall. Make it drop it basically. Okay. You know what? Let's stop reading. There's a lot. Let's have a look. Okay. It's basically a cup with a cover on it. With I don't know what's this for. Maybe it's for something. Okay. Sounds like something's in there. Nope. Okay. Is that intended? I don't know. Can you hear it? Yeah. This lid, okay, there's like a little bit of opening here so you can drink from it. But yeah, all right, cool. Do not put this in the microwave, remember. I have to remind that myself. Yeah. Here is the new Subaru Duck plush. Let me get the old one. Here you go. Here's the old one. Very cute, and the cap is obviously removable. All right, let's have a comparison. Oh, okay, it's actually not too bad. Apparently, this one is a bit fatter or thicker. This one has a removable cap too. Okay, a hat. Is this supposed to be on front in the front? Maybe. Yeah. This ribbon. Okay. Yeah, it's just tied up with like a string. But this ribbon is actually like tied in a ribbon style. The star is, there's like a string there. Okay. And there's I believe a, yeah, no, never mind. That's just part of the ribbon. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Okay. Very nice. Yeah. It's just slightly bigger, at least for mine. Yeah. Still very cute. All right. Put them in here. Next is this. Oh, there we go. This is handwritten. 0702, I believe. I don't want to open this actually. Let's keep it like this. Yeah. I believe inside is the postcard and a cardboard behind it to support it. Okay. Here. Oh, let's deal with this later. All right. I'll put my Subaru Ducks on the table. There we go. Here we go. Hololive error. I believe this is my. No, it's just a blank sheet of paper. Okay. I thought it was like a receipt or something. Let me get this open. Yeah, this is the hololive error package. I did not get the new one because I'm not too interested. All right. There's a plastic around it. Special set. This is why I got my scissors. Come on. There you go. That's a little bit of opening. Which isn't helping. Okay. There you go. Okay, hololive official shop product. Yes, I buy these from the official shop. They actually ship to my country, which is Malaysia. And they actually do have the prices in my currency as well, so pretty grateful about that. Come on. Here we go. Ooh. Yeah, very nice. Let's put this to the side actually. Okay, how do I open this? It's not opening. Come on, there we go. Actually, let me get rid of the box. I need space for later anyway. Sorry about the shaking the camera. Oh. Okay, that's better. There we go. Oh, I see. So it's open like this. Alcami High School. Photo, the photo club. Yeah, photography club. Okay. Yes, this is why I got. Very nice. Okay. Yeah, there we go. Subaru. Very cute. And yeah, Okakoro. Alright, and this is the last one. There you go, back to the first one. Alright, put them back. Oh, postcard. Oh, postcards. I see, so if you want to use them as postcards, you can, but I probably won't. Probably. Yeah. Put them back nicely. There we go. All right. Okay, this is official setting. What's it called? Book. Will you become my friend? Okay. Oh. Okay. Okay, introduction of the characters. Oh, the blue eyes Sora or Misora is different from the brown eyes Misora. Oh. Okay, it's something for you to see. There you go. Ukai Karu. Yes. Club leader of. Okay, it's a club. She's a club leader with an active personality. All right. And more screenshots from the series, anime series. If you didn't watch the hololive error anime series, I recommend you to go watch it. Here's the world building settings. Oh, okay. Gallery. Okay. Oh, yeah, more screenshots from the anime. All right. There we go. A piece of sponge, kinda. Oh, and the acrylic. So you take these, your holes here, put them in, and they'll basically stand up. Yeah, but I won't do that now. I don't have space on my where I put my merch stuff now because it's so full. I didn't really get much space. All right, hopefully the camera is fine. It's been shaken a bit. Oh yeah, that looks okay to me. Let's put everything back in. Very nice package. There we go. I was wondering why it won't like just come up because there's like a lip here. Okay. Very nice. And finally, yep, there it is. Here, this thing. This is from the part of this set, the birthday set, and it should be a super giant. Well, probably not super giant, but it should be a pretty big acrylic sand. Which I will build now. Hopefully things are. Oh, I see. Yeah, do this first. Contains small parts. All right, don't give it to a child or baby. There we go. Yeah, it's this big, if you can see it. Oh, never mind. It's this a similar thing to. I see. Yeah. So this one contains the background and the foreground, which is the Subaru. Okay. Nice. You know what? I will build this. So this one is a bit more complex compared to the one for hololive error because this has 2 layers. Not sure how it'll work, but it should be pretty easy, right? Right, let's not start with the small parts. Let's start with the big parts. Losing the small parts is troublesome. Okay. I'm getting like my fingerprints all over that. Oh well. Can wipe it off with a proper cloth later. So now then, let's take these out. Okay, they're like screws, small screws, so they probably don't slip off. Okay, now let's see. Oh, okay. They're supposed to be on top of each other, I guess. Okay, this is more complex than I thought. Because, careful. these screws go in here. Okay. And wow. Yeah, there isn't really much space. Yeah, together. Oh, yeah, it looks really nice though. Wow. It has like a kind of a 3D effect to it because of the double layer. Yeah. Let me be careful so I don't drop it. There you go. All right. All right. There we go. Very, very nice. I'm just checking the camera. And put it down like this. Yeah. It'll be the same for the hololive error. I believe they should work the same way, but it's just one layer for hololive error. Yeah. All right. And this thing. Very nice. Very, very nice. All right. I'll consider using this at where I work. I've been very busy, so busy that I don't have time to make clips. I have been making stuff which are a bit long, so look forward to that. Yeah, one that is for Noel. I'm working on the Pokemon stuff still, and I believe those are the two main stuff, and some stuff that I can't remember. Right, one is from a recent Ohasuba, but other than that, that's about it. Yeah, so I really don't have time. So I'm really slow with clips. Sorry about that. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.